In today's video, I'll show you how to create free avatars using Canva. These avatars can be used to make fun animations, add to your social media page, or even used in children's books. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so once you log into your Canva account, you're going to create a blank video below. And once that's pulled up, you're going to go to elements on your left side and type in the word at iBrandify, okay? And I'm going to spell it for you all. It's at iBrandify. Under that, click graphics, and these are some avatars that you can use in some of your projects, and you can just kind of comb through it to see exactly which one you want. Okay, some are free and some are not. Like this one right here, this is free. Okay, he's free. All right, and so okay, he's free. So guys, I'm gonna add another page. I'm gonna choose this one right here as an avatar, and then I'm going to go back out and find maybe a doctor's office background and click on graphics and kind of like comb through here to see which one I want. So I'm gonna choose this one right here, put it on the canvas page. I'm gonna drag it out. All right, and I'm going to send it back. Okay, drag it up some. So this looks pretty good, y'all. So this is just a simple way that you can create an avatar, even with animation, for a children's book, or even just to put on Instagram or a social media page. It's simple. Opposed to going to an app, to apps on the left, you can just come up here at the top and just choose, type in once again, iBrandify, click on graphics, and just choose a character. Let's try one more that we can use. Okay, so let's try this girl right here on a motorcycle. So let's go back to elements and let's type in some type of park background. Okay, let's click on it. Let's click on the graphics. All right, so this is the one I'm going to use, guys. I'm going to send it backwards. Okay, and I'm going to change the color to same color as the sky background. All right, I'm going to modify it some. I'm going to make her smaller. All right, okay, sitting right there. I'm going to click on animate, and I'm going to click on create an animation, and I'm going to drag her. So with the purple lines, as I've done before, it allows you to move your image. Okay, so let's see how it will look. Rewinding. And also, guys, let's move this over some. Okay, and let's just drag it over so we get the whole picture. All right, let's bring her up right here. And let's go back to animate. Let's click on create animation and let's drag her. Let's just drag her to the finish line. We'll see all the purple dotted line. Okay, to the finish line. All right. So guys, again, this is just a simple way that you can create, really the avatar is really created for you. Just a shortcut to use these free avatars. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.